If you want to learn how to solve this problem, you should continue watching. I'm Nick from SimNeverlock, and in this video I'll show you how to unlock an iPhone when you have the SIM not valid or SIM not supported problem. Now, when you have this problem, it means that your iPhone is locked to a certain carrier, so when you put in a SIM card from a different carrier, it will not work. So today I'll show you step by step how to unlock an iPhone that is locked to a carrier and has the SIM not valid or SIM not supported problem. Okay, before you unlock, you must know the IMEI number of the iPhone. Now, there are two cases with a locked iPhone. Sometimes it is locked to this menu and you can't actually do anything with it. Or in the second case, if you remove the SIM card and restart the iPhone, you can use it normally. If you're stuck in this menu, you can find the IMEI number by clicking back and then clicking on the blue info button in the bottom right corner. And this will show up the IMEI number on your screen. Now write down the IMEI number and then you have to use another phone to do the unlocking. Now my iPhone does not have that case, and when I remove the SIM card and restart it, I can actually use the iPhone, so I'm gonna show you another way to get the IMEI number. So the easiest way is to open up the dialer and dial *#06#, and this will show up the IMEI number on your screen. Another way to find the IMEI number is to open the settings menu, go to the general, and under the about tab you'll find the IMEI number listed. You can also find the IMEI number on the SIM tray slot on the iPhone itself or on the back of the factory box. Okay, we found the IMEI number, we have it written down, and now we're going to do the unlocking. So you can do this from the iPhone itself, or if you have the case where you can't use it, simply use another phone to do the unlocking. So head over to SimNeverlock.com. This is the website where we do the unlocking. Write down your email address, the IMEI number of your iPhone, and the phone version. Then make sure that everything is correct and click on unlock. It will take around 2 minutes for the service to submit your request. Okay, once that is done, this is the final task, which is verification. So click on I'm not a robot and a list of apps from the App Store will show up. Now choose one of these and follow the instructions given for installing it. Now this is a very important step, and make sure that you do it correctly, because if you don't, you'll have to start all over again. So I'm going to install one of the apps and run it for 30 seconds like the instructions say. Okay, I ran the app for about 30 seconds and now it's time to put back the SIM card in the iPhone and see if it works. Okay guys, as you can see, my iPhone recognized the SIM card and I got signal. So this means that I have successfully unlocked my iPhone and now I can use any SIM card I want from any carrier. If this didn't work, I suggest you go back to the page with apps and complete another one. You may also want to wait like 3 to 5 minutes before checking, because sometimes there is a delay in the unlocking servers. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'm Nick and I hope you learned something new today. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button, it means a lot, and if you have trouble, please leave a comment. Till the next time, goodbye.